Actually, pinakamalaking challenge sa amin dito yung baha. Pero alam kasi namin na hindi namin kaya on our own. So we're depending a lot on help from national government. So that's one. Pero parang yung overarching kasi is still governance. Para sa akin, we'll be able to do so much if we fix the bureaucracy itself. So parang yung first 6 months in office ko, that's what we have been trying to do. Fix the budget, fix the spending, strengthen the bureaucratic structures. Kasi over time, it has weakened eh. Maraming lessons. My husband did a lot as far as improving governance is concerned when he was mayor. Pero one of the realizations is that it's a continuing fight eh. You have to strengthen it, you have to fight for it every day para the reforms would be sustainable. So ang sa akin, one of the reasons why I decided to run was that there was really an erosion of all the values that my husband started when he was mayor and the kind of governance that he espoused. So ngayon parang we're bringing that back. Pero in the present context already kasi Naga now is so different from the Naga before when my husband was still mayor. So it's challenging in the sense that Naga is a small city. So the budget is not as much as what the Metro Manila cities are getting.
How is it that much different?
For one, wala pa social media dati.
That's true.
Pangalawa, life was so much simpler before. So the problems are also different. Naga before was not yet as progressive as Naga is now. Lahat ng malalaking malls nandito sa amin. So yung mga social problems attendant to that, mas lumaki din. So yung traffic namin, before wala naman kami problema sa traffic. Before, everywhere was 5 minutes away. But now, during peak hours, parang Manila na din kami dito. Yun nga, yung baha, may problema na kami. So iba yung, parang nung asawa ko dati, mas introduction of reforms lang. Pero ngayon, hindi mo lang bubuhayin yung reforms, pero you have to adapt it to the present times.